In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the space key in Confluence. If you've ever needed to link to a space, configure a macro, or set up an integration, you've likely been asked for the space key. Think of the space key as the short, unique code that identifies a Confluence space. It appears in the URL, it's used by automation, and it helps you reference the exact space without confusion. Start by opening the Confluence space you want to check. Make sure the space is fully loaded so you're on any page within that space. An overview page, a page tree item, or even the space home will do. Next, look up at your browser's address bar. You're looking for the section of the URL that includes the space identifier. In most Confluence cloud sites, you'll see a segment like spaces/key, where key is the space key. It's often a short uppercase code such as ENG or HR, but it can include in numbers or mixed case depending on how it was created. Focus on the part directly after where spaces and before the next slash. That exact value is the space key. Take care not to copy trailing slashes or any extra characters like question marks or parameters at the end of the URL. If you'd rather confirm it through the interface, or if the URL looks unusual, you can also find it in the spaces settings. While you're still inside the space, open space settings. From there, go to space details or space information. On that page, you'll see a labeled field called space key. This is the authoritative value, and it's helpful if you want to double check that what you saw in the URL matches what Confluence has on record. If you don't see space settings, you may not have permission. In that case, someone with the right access can view it for you. Once you've found the space key, copy it carefully. The key is usually case sensitive, so keep the exact capitalization. It's a compact identifier that you can paste into macros, filters, documentation, API calls, or any integration that asks for it. A quick tip: store it where you track environment details or project references so your team can reuse it consistently and avoid typos. And that's it. Open the space, check the address bar for the segment after spaces, or confirm it in space settings under space details. Copy the key and you're ready to use it wherever it's needed. Thanks for watching and happy documenting.